What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here, the brand spanking new headphones from Razer, the RAZER Opus. Now, these guys, which will run you back about $200, are active noise canceling headphones that are also THX certified. So I'm definitely super duper excited to get these bad boys out of the box, see what they're about, see how they sound, and yeah, just get to using them. So without further ado, folks, let's get to doing just that, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech, and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the box for these headphones. As you can see right here, we've got a giant Razer logo. And look at that, sort of changes colors in the light. That's pretty cool. I can't really tell if you guys can see that, but I can. Also right here, it says Opus, the name of the headphones. Opus, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but I think I'm just going to say Opus for this video. But yeah, wireless ANC headset right here. ANC stands for active noise canceling. And we've also got a picture of the headphones right here. We've got them in their midnight blue color, of course. Looks kind of blackish on the box, but I can definitely see the hints of that very, very dark blue. Pretty cool color, if I do say so myself. And right here, it does say THX certified. So yeah, anyway, let's flip this over. Let's see what it says right here. RAZER Opus wireless ANC headset. Over here, it talks a little bit more about these headphones right here, as well as a 2-year warranty. That's pretty nice. And here on the back, we've got another picture of the headphones in all their glory. Talks about premium carrying case, active noise cancellation, engineered for comfort, portable design, and it's got a jack too if you want to listen to these bad boys with a wire. And yeah, also it has auto pause and play. So I guess when you take these headphones off, sort of like AirPods, they automatically pause. And then if you put them back on, I guess they automatically play. That is pretty cool. And yeah, anyway, folks, let's stop talking about the box and let's actually get this box open. So first we got to get this shrink wrap off right here. And let's see. Here we go. Ooh, that was a little piece. Let's try this again, okay? Here we go. And look at all this big boy shrink wrap right here. We can just put this down, and here's a shrink wrap. Bye-bye. Now, anyway, let's open this box up, and ooh, there it goes. Wow, that is cool. There's like a see-through film right here. And let's look at this right here. There's a little note from the CEO of Razer. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's read this aloud. Immerse yourself in the ultimate audio experience anywhere. We made the RAZER Opus so you can enjoy a superior sound experience from a wireless headset when you're on the move. The combination of high-fidelity THX-certified audio and active noise cancellation (ANC) technology creates a clear, focused soundstage for ultimate immersion, whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or playing mobile games. And wow, after reading that, I'm definitely excited to hear how these headphones sound. They're really hyping up that audio quality, so I'm definitely excited. And here, once again, we got CEO's signature. So yeah, let's actually get these bad boys out of the box because I want to hear them already. Oh, and right here it says forget the noise. That's definitely good. I love noise canceling headphones, by the way. If you couldn't already tell from my passion in this video, my excitement. Anyway, right here we've got that premium carrying case they were talking about. Wow, look at this. It's got a little thingy right here, like a little, I don't even know what this is called, but it has this right here. Maybe you could use this to like clip it onto your, I don't know, your belt or something, or maybe onto, I don't know, a backpack? Then anyway, folks, let's just open up this carrying case. We can unzip it, and wow, that is a sturdy zipper for sure. And right here, we've got a Razer logo right there, and voila, wow, look at these headphones. You definitely can tell they're THX certified because each ear cup says THX on them. And yeah, look at these. I'm just going to put it to the side right for a second just so we can see what else is in the box. Okay, so right here, let's see. What is this? It looks like we have a little audio jack accessory right here in the carrying case. And also, it looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable in this pouch. And wow, this one looks really, really tiny. And let's see, there's still something else in this pouch right here too. It looks like we have that stereo jack. Yep, the stereo jack. And yeah, guys, now we can put this case to the side and see what else is in the box. Let's see. see right here, it looks like we got probably some paperwork. Let's open this up. And in this, it says right here, forget the noise. That's a pretty cool saying we've got going on with these headphones. And it says RAZER Opus right here. And yeah, we've got a bunch of paperwork about the headphones right here. And yeah, folks, now that we've seen what is inside the box, let's take a closer look at the headphones themselves. So yeah, folks, there's definitely a lot to notice on these headphones. First of all, we've got a massive RAZER logo, nice and shiny right there, as well as right here on this side too. And once again, like I said earlier, we've got THX logos on here too, so definitely a bunch of logos. So another thing you'll notice on these headphones is, of course, the audio controls right here on the right ear cup. You can tell it's the right ear cup because there's a little R if you can make that out right there. And yeah, we've got volume up button, volume down button, and I'm guessing the pause and play button right in the middle. Over here on the other ear cup, the left one, we've got the power button as well as the ambient noise / noise canceling button right here. And yeah, without further ado, let's see. Oh, we can also do this, make the headphones bigger, of course. And if you ever want to fold them down, you can just fold it just like this, and boom, they're nice and smaller so it can fit in that carrying case. But anyway, let's undo that fold and let's put these on my head and see how they feel. And wow, these are really comfy, like really soft, those ear cups. These are extremely comfy. Wow. Anyway, folks, yeah, now I'm definitely excited to start listening to some music on these, so let me get them connected to my iPhone real quick. Woo! And now, folks, I got the RAZER Opus all connected to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've actually been listening to a bunch of different songs on these headphones, so let's talk about my first impressions of the audio quality. First of all, what I want to say is there is actually a RAZER Opus app for the iPhone, and there's one for Android too, but obviously I have an iPhone right here. So if we fire that up, let me just show you what it does real quick. It's a very simple app, but it basically lets you interact with different, what are they called? Different equalizer presets for the headphones. So for example, there's a THX one right here, which makes sense because these headphones are THX certified. There's also another one that I've liked using called enhanced bass because I definitely like good bass on my music, so you can do that too. And yeah, you can just play around in this app. Very simple app, but it seems like the main purpose of it is just to do different equalizer settings with these headphones. And it looks like you can also see the battery life of the headphones up there in the top corner, how much battery is left on them. So yeah, anyway, let's talk about the audio quality. So folks, I mean, it's definitely solid. It sounds good to me. And also another good thing too is with that active noise canceling, when I'm listening to songs, currently I'm not listening to one, I can barely hear myself talk, which is definitely always a good sign with active noise cancellation. But yeah, folks, my main impression so far with that solid audio quality, that good active noise cancellation, and also once again, how comfy these headphones are. It literally feels like a cloud is like gently hugging my head. It feels so good. I can't exaggerate that enough, how comfy these headphones are. I definitely like these headphones so far, especially once again for that price of $200, because similar premium over-ear headphones like these, like for example, Beats Studio 3 Wireless, what I've usually been using recently whenever I need to use headphones, those definitely are nowhere near as comfy as these headphones. And they're like, what, $350? And these are $200. So yeah, I like these headphones so far. Anyway, folks, now let's move forward and let's carry on that Warenotice tradition of me singing along to a song whenever I unbox a pair of headphones. In this video, we're going to be singing along to Who Needs Love by Tory Lanez. Definitely like this song right here. So here we go, folks. When I got these diamond VVS's on my neck piece, big pointers all in my bezel, calling my bestie. I spent 100,000 all counting. Money make me happy every time I count it. Who needs love when I come around flexing? I don't need no loving from any one of my exes. I don't need no stressing, phone call, texting. Don't kiss me, just kiss my necklace. Who needs love? And yeah, folks, right there's me singing along to a little bit of Who Needs Love by Tory Lanez. And that definitely, once again, illustrates my point that it is hard to hear myself talk when I am listening to music on these headphones. Anyway, yeah, folks, let's move on once again. And let me show you the audio controls on the headphones actually in action. And one thing I will say that I definitely appreciate about the audio controls on these headphones is just how tactile they feel. Like they're on the back of the headphones right here, but I can just feel them with my finger, or actually my thumb, and tell which they are. So right here, I'm going to click the play one right there, and now the music is playing and I can barely hear myself, and I can turn down the volume right here, and oh yeah, and the volume is going down for sure, and now I can go right here and I can turn the volume right back up. Oh yeah, and now I'm gonna pause it for a second right here, and yeah. Now, another cool thing on the other ear cup, when the music is playing, you can actually hold down the ambient noise button right here. And then what that lets you do is easily hear what's going on around you. Now I can hear my voice super duper amplified. It pauses the music and it basically lets the audio in through the noise cancellation. Yeah, now I can hear myself really, really well. It almost feels like there's an echo. So that is definitely also a very nice feature. So let me let go of that button. And now the music's playing again. Another feature, remember how I said you can take off the headphones to pause the music? Let's try that. So here, there's the music playing on my iPhone. Now we take it off and boom, the music is paused just like that. So let me put these headphones back on and oh yeah, now it's playing again. So that is definitely a really cool feature. Really cool. And anyway, folks, while I have these headphones in my hands, I gotta say I really do appreciate and love the design of these headphones. They're just super duper sleek. And I also like how the ear cups can rotate like that so they don't feel stiff. Once again, it literally feels like a cloud on my head. So yeah, very sleek design. The ear cups are obviously huge though, but that is a good thing because these are over-ear headphones. I definitely like over-ear more than on-ear because these engulf your ears rather than just sit on your ears. And yeah, folks, anyway, I'll put these back on my ears. And with that, oops, the music's not playing again. I'll pause that. But yeah, folks, anyway, with that, there's not really much more to say about the RAZER Opus wireless active noise canceling THX certified headphones in this video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of them. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of these headphones. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, because after all, folks, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the RAZER Opus headphones, baby. Ooh.